paramedics have been dispatched. They'll be there as soon as possible.
What type of building is involved?
Madison County 911. What's the address of your emergency?
COVID-19 response brought unique challenges to first responders. We needed to be able to pass private healthcare information to first responders.
We're doing more telemedicine with the hospital, talking to the doctor, the physicians at the hospital, and coordinating resources. And a lot of time we do that via phone, not the radio, to keep it more private and protect that patient's confidentiality.
We work a lot with dispatch and law enforcement. Our protocol hasn't necessarily changed. Dispatch is still contacting the coroner. From there, they are dispatching us using the FirstNet system so that all of the responders who are at the scene can see what our ETA is without any question.
The EMS crews using these really expensive radios in the field and needing to decon them, we wanted to prevent damage. We were able to deploy 50 Sonim phones and Mutual Link in the matter of 2 weeks. The Sonim XP8s we're using are able to be dunked in a bleach water solution.
We were able to deploy FirstNet devices to the National Guard. They used it for the internet, the Wi-Fi hotspots. They used it for their voice by contact tracing, making their phone calls to the state. We also deployed devices to the health department. Our emergency manager was able to use FirstNet devices while he was quarantined at home for a possible COVID-19 scare. He was able to connect to the internet with a hotspot and a FirstNet phone.
This is the first time that the entire nation's been under an emergency at the same time.
When they sent the kids home from school, all the kids did what kids do, got on the internet.
We also have everybody home, working from home.
All the cell phone carriers in the area were overloaded.
We couldn't get any of the commercial providers and/or carriers to give us any insight into the health of the network.
With FirstNet, we didn't have that problem because we were our own network.
We've had no issues so far with our data, our communications using FirstNet during this pandemic.